Hello, good morning students. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 11, Algebra. So first of all we will see what do you mean by algebra. As we know that there are so many branches of mathematics. If we study about numbers, that is known as arithmetic. If we study about shape, it is known as geometry. But the study to use the letters and symbols in mathematics is called algebra. So what is algebra? It is the study of letters and symbols. We will see that algebra is a part of mathematics in which the letters and symbols are used to represent numbers in equations, and it helps us to study about unknown quantities. Means using this algebra we can find the quantities which is not known by us, unknown. Means जो हमें पता नहीं है. So here we will use two things in algebra, that is variable and constant. So first of all we will see what are variables. Variable refers to the unknown quantities that can change or vary and are represented using the lowercase letter of the English alphabets. So what is algebra? Algebra, it is the main feature of algebra is that we are using the letters which allow us to write the rules and formula in different types of ways. And the letter stands for many unknown quantities. So variable, it is an unknown, which means which is represented by the lowercase letter or the English alphabets like ABC, then XYZ or PQR. Means from all the 26 alphabets we can use the variable by any of the lowercase letter. Lowercase means the small letter, and uppercase means the capital letter. So here we are using only the lowercase letters or English alphabet. So see one example of same is rule that we use in matchstick pattern is 3n plus 1, where n is unknown, means n की वैल्यू हमें पता नहीं है, and it can vary from time to time. Vary means होता है change. So for according to the question the value of n will be different. As we solve the equation, according to that the value of n will be different here. So variable means whose value is not fixed. So what do you know variable? Here in algebra we will learn about constant and variable. So variable means whose value is not fixed, जिसकी वैल्यू फिक्स नहीं होती, जैसे कि जो इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट या स्मॉलर लोअर केस लेटर से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है, जैसे ABC और MN LMN और that PQR. एंड कॉन्स्टेंट मीन्स हुज वैल्यू इज़ फिक्स्ड. कॉन्स्टेंट मतलब वो होता है जिसकी वैल्यू फिक्स होती है, जैसे कि नंबर्स विल रिप्रेजेंट बाय नंबर्स लाइक 2 3. हियर यू कैन सी दैट 2 की वैल्यू 2 ही रहेगी, हम इसे 3 तो लिख नहीं सकते. सो कॉन्स्टेंट मीन्स हुज वैल्यू इज़ फिक्स्ड, एंड वेरिएबल मतलब होता है जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो सकती है. सो कॉन्स्टेंट मीन्स नंबर्स एंड वेरिएबल मीन्स लेटर्स. सो यूजिंग दिस वी विल लर्न अबाउट अलजेब्रा. अलजेब्रा में दोनों को यूज़ किया जाता है. So what are the more example of variable? We can use letter as a variable but only lowercase English alphabet. Numbers cannot be used as a variable because they are fixed value. Numbers तो constant होते हैं, इसलिए हम variable की जगह use नहीं कर सकते. And they are also helping in solving some other problem. Now we'll see how we are making expressions. Arithmetic expressions may use numbers and all operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Arithmetic expressions. Arithmetic का मतलब होता है जिसमें हम चारों operations को use करते हैं, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now using this, how we are making an expression like 2 plus 9 minus 3, 4 multiply 6 minus 8. So if we solve this, 4 multiply 6. So first of all in multiply 4 6 are 24, 24 minus 8 60. So this all are arithmetic operation जहाँ पर हमने variable का constant का use किया है, और operations like addition, subtraction, from all the 4 operations we have used any of the operations here. Now expressions with variable. Expressions with variable means here in place of constant, here we will use variables or letters. So we can make expression using variable like 2m 5 plus t. Here you can see 2m means and 5m plus t. Here variable is there, m and t both are variable and 5 is a constant. So this type of expressions are known as expressions with variable. So expression containing variables cannot be until its value is given. Here using this variable we can find the value of unknown quantities. Now how to form the expressions. If a statement is given तो हम expressions कैसे बनाते हैं? Y subtracted from 12. What is the meaning of this? Y subtracted from 12 means we have to subtract y from 12. So it can be written as 12 minus y. x multiplied by 6 means 6x. Then t multiplied by 4, t is multiplied by 4 मतलब 4 multiply t, and then 5 subtracted from the product. Product का मतलब होता है multiplication. So first of all we have to multiply t by 4. After that, after multiplying करने के बाद हमें उसमें से 5 को subtract करना है. So it can be written as 40 minus 5. So in this way, if statement is given, we can make the expressions. So what is arithmetic expression? Which contains both constant, then variable, and 4 of the operation like plus, minus, that is division and multiplication, where constant are numbers like 1, 2, 3, and variables are letters. For example, small letter A, B, C, P, Q, R, any. So using this, all these three, we are making arithmetic expressions. Now see the exercise questions. See the first question. A boy runs 120 meters in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the boys in terms of its run time in minutes? And here you have to use T for unknown run time. Means what is given? A boy run 120 meters in 1 minute. Means a distance covered by boy. A boy runs in 1 minute how many meters? 120 meter. And here we have to find the distance covered by boy in terms of its run time. And for run time we have to use T. Means here for 1 minute it is given 120 meter, and we have to find for how many meter? A boy runs in t minutes. So in t minutes it will cover 120 multiply t meter, or we can write 120 t meters. What is the meaning of 120 t? It is 120 multiply t only. Here in place of any number they given us variable. So in place of for example, if अगर यहाँ पर दिया होता कि बॉय रन्स इन 120 मीटर, तो 5 मिनट में कितना कवर करेगा? सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, 120 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 मीन्स 600. बट इन प्लेस ऑफ 5 हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन t मिनट, सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 120 मल्टीप्लाई t और 120 t meters. Understood? Then see the question number 2. The teacher distributes 5 pencil per student. पर स्टूडेंट मीन्स एक स्टूडेंट को कितनी पेंसिल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की गई? 5 पेंसिल्स. सो कैन यू टेल हाउ मेनी पेंसिल्स आर नीडेड गिवन द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट? हाउ मेनी गिवन द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, कितने स्टूडेंट्स दिए है? एस. इफ फॉर वन स्टूडेंट दे आर गिविंग 5 पेंसिल, सो फॉर एस स्टूडेंट हाउ मच इट विल बी देयर? इट विल बी 5 मल्टीप्लाई एस. So like question number 1, you have to make the statement. After that you have to solve. So it is your homework. Then see the question number 3. Which of the following expressions with numbers only? Here you can see this all are expressions. Expressions means which is having both constant, variables, and all of the 4 operations like plus, minus, that division and multiplication. So these are known as arithmetic expressions. बट हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट एक्सप्रेशन विथ नंबर्स ओनली. हमें ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन देखना है जिसके अंदर सिर्फ नंबर हो, कोई भी वेरिएबल ना हो. सो फर्स्ट इज x plus 2. It is no. Why? Because you can see x is a variable is given and 2 is a constant, मतलब नंबर है, लेकिन यहाँ पर वेरिएबल दिया गया है, इसलिए आंसर क्या आएगा? नो. Second one, 8 multiply 17 minus 7z. Here also you can see z is given means variable is given, मतलब ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन नंबर से बना हुआ नहीं है, सो आंसर विल बी नो. See the third one, 6 21 minus 1 plus 2 into 5. You can see all are numbers. There is no any variable. यहाँ पर कोई सा भी लेटर नहीं है like a b c x y z. There is no any variable is given. It means it is a expressions with numbers only. इसके अंदर सभी क्या है? सिर्फ numbers है. So the answer will be yes. Like this you have to solve the remaining questions also. Then see the question number 4. Identify the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and forming the following expressions, and how you'll tell how the expressions have been formed. See the first one, y plus 3, y minus 3, y plus 18, z minus 18. First expression is y plus 3. You can see which operation is used here. The plus is given, it means addition. And how can you write y plus 3? हम y plus 3 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं कि 3 added to y. 3 added to y मतलब हमने y में कितना ऐड करा? 3. So like this you have to make the statement. y plus 3 which operation is used here? Addition. So write here addition. And how we have, हमने इसको कैसे बनाया? 3 added to y. Same second one, y minus 3 which operation is used here? minus means subtraction, so right here subtraction, and y minus 3, it means 3 is subtracted from y, so 3 subtracted from y. Like this you have to solve that y plus 18 and z minus 18. Here which operation is used first you have to write, after that you have to write the statement that how it is formed, वो कैसे बनाया गया है. See the second one, 19y. What do you mean by 19y? 19y का मतलब होता है 19 multiplication y. If there is no any symbol is given between any two number, इसका मतलब होता है कि वहाँ पर multiplication है. So 19y, which operation is used? Multiplication. And how can you form, ये कैसे बना है? 19 multiplied by y. Then y by 19. Y by 19 means y is divided by 19. So which operation is used here? Division. And we can write y divided by 19. So like this you have to solve the remaining that question number 3 also. First of all you have to identify the operation, कौन से operations use हुए हैं, उसके बाद हमने इसको cases statement में change किया है. Then the next question, question number 5. Here statement is given. Now you have to form an expression. As you have seen in question number 4th में क्या दिया था? Expression is given and you have to change into statement. But in question number 5, statement is given and you have to change into expression. So 6 added to y. 6 added to y means y plus 6. हमें 6 किस में ऐड करना है? y में. So y plus 6. Then 12 subtracted from z. 12 subtracted from z. From z what we have to subtract? 12. So z minus 12. Then y divided by 8. Y divided by 8 means y upon 8. Then y multiplied by 10 and then added to the product. Y multiplied by 10. First of all we have to multiply y with 10. So 10y. Then after multiplying you have to add 7 to the product. Product का मतलब होता है कि दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है उसे हम बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट. सो y multiplied by 10. So 10y, then add 7 to the product. After that you have to add plus 7. So it will be plus 10. 10y plus 7. Like this please solve the remaining homework questions also. Then see the question number 6. The length of a rectangular field is 7 meter less than 5 times the breadth of field. What is the length if breadth is x meters? Here you can see it is given for the perimeter like this formula, as we are using in perimeter like 4 imply side 4 into a. So using that we have to make these equations also. The length of a rectangular field is 7 meters less than 5 times the breadth of field. What is length if breadth is x meter? First of all understood this. What is length means what we have to find? Here we have to find the value of length. If breadth is x meter, in place of number breadth की value क्या दी है यहाँ पर? x meter दी है. Means so according to the question we will write that let breadth of field is x meters. Then according to the question the length will be, so what is given? The length of rectangular field is 7 meter less than 5 times breadth. 5 times, what do you mean by times? Times का मतलब होता है multiplication. 5 times breadth. So 5 times breadth, and breadth is given x meter. It means 5 multiply x. So first of all you have to write 5x. Then it is given 7 meter less. 5 times breadth के बाद क्या दिया उसमें? 7 meter less. 7 meter less. Less का मतलब होता है कम, means minus. So how you have to make? The length of rectangular field is 7 meter less than 5 times the breadth of field. First of all it is 5 times breadth means 5x and 7 meter less. It means 7. So the length will be 5x is minus 7 meter. So first of all you should have understood that how to change the statement into that arithmetic expressions form. So you should know that how to read this. So 5 times मतलब होता है 5 multiplication and 7 meter less. Less का मतलब होता है minus. So 5x minus 7 meter will be the length. Like this you have to solve the question number 7 also. It's same as question number 6, only the change in numbers and variables here. Now we'll see what do you mean by equation. If we use the equal sign between two expressions, then they form an equation. An equation satisfies only for a particular value of the variable. Or equal sign, what is the meaning of equal sign? It means that left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and value of a variable which makes them equal is the only solution of that equation. So what, as we know that it is an expression, if we are not using like 3 plus 2x, 2x minus 5, y upon 9, if we are using without any equal sign, so these are known as arithmetic expressions. But if we use equal sign between two expressions, so this is known as इक्वेशन. इक्वेशन का मतलब क्या होता है, जिसमें हम इक्वल का साइन यूज़ करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज इक्वेशन? इक्वेशन मतलब क्या होता है, जिसमें हम इक्वल का साइन यूज़ करते हैं. सो 3 + 2x = 13, 5 में m - 7, दिस ऑल आर नोन एज इक्वेशन. And how many parts are there? 2 parts. This one is left hand side part and it is right hand side. So LH and RHS. एंड इक्वल का मतलब क्या होता है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो है वो किसके बराबर है, राइट हैंड साइड के बराबर. सो LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. सो हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर देयर इन इक्वेशन? 2 parts, LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side. Now after this, if there is a greater or less than sign, then instead of equal it means it is not an equation. So the example which are not an equation, like here less than, equal, these are the sign given, it means these are not an equation. Equation में सिर्फ किसका साइन होता है, इक्वल का. अगर लेस देन और ग्रेटर देन साइन दिया इसका मतलब है कि वो इक्वेशन नहीं है. आफ्टर दिस विल सी हाउ टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन. अगर किसी भी इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना हो तो कैसे करते हैं? The value of the variable which satisfy the equation is the solution to that equation. To check whether the particular value of the solution or not, we have to check that LHS must be equal to RHS with that value of the variable. अगर हमें किसी भी वैल्यू का सॉल्यूशन निकालना है तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सॉल्यूशन मतलब होता है जैसे कि 2 + 3x = 5. नाउ सॉल्यूशन मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. अगर हम x की जगह पर यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर रखें कि हमें LHS और RHS बराबर मिल जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 + 3x = 5. इफ़ वी पुट इन प्लेस ऑफ x = 1, सो 2 + 3 × 1, 2 + 3 = 3, सो 5. सो इफ़ वी पुट, अगर हम x की जगह 1 रखेंगे तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, 5, और वो किसके बराबर है, RHS के बराबर. इसका मतलब x = 1 इज़ द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन. Let us understood by some question. हम इसे क्वेश्चंस के द्वारा समझते हैं. So question number 8 is pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation and show that the other value do not satisfy the equation. Here you can see 4 values are given and we have to find the solution of the given equation. मतलब ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसको हम m की जगह पर रखेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, RHS और LHS दोनों बराबर हो जाएंगे, or which satisfy the given equation. First one is 5m = 80, 10, 5, 16, 15. These are the values of m. ये सब किसकी वैल्यू है, वेरिएबल की. So what is the given equation? 5m = 80. First number is given 10. So in place of m put 10. पहले हम m की जगह क्या रखेंगे, 10. 5m, 5 means 5 × m. So 5 × 10, 50. Now compare with right hand side. Right hand side is given 80. We know that 50 is not equal to 80. It means m = 10 does not satisfy the given equation. मतलब LHS और RHS, अगर हम m की जगह क्या रख रहे हैं, 10 रख रहे हैं, तो हमारा LHS और RHS बराबर नहीं आ रहा है. इसका मतलब है कि m की वैल्यू 10 नहीं है. It does not satisfy the given equation. Now after 10 which value is given, 5. Now put m = 5. So 5m, 5 × 5, 25. Again you can see 25 is not equal to 80. हमें किससे कंपेयर करना है, राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट से. राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट क्या है यहाँ पर, 80. So 25 is not equal to 80. It means m = 5 does not satisfy the given equation. After 5 put 16. 5m, 5 × 16, 80. Now you can see 80 is equal to 80. It means m = 60 satisfy the given equation. अगर हम m की जगह 16 रखते हैं तो हमारा LHS और RHS क्या आ रहा है, इक्वल आ रहा है. It means the value of m. What is the solution of the equation? m = 16 is the solution. Now the next number is given 15. So put m = 15. 5m, 5 × 15, 75. 75 is not equal to 80. It means m = 50 does not satisfy the given equation. So what is the solution of the given equation? So इस equation का solution क्या होगा? So m = 16 is solution of गिवन इक्वेशन। सॉल्यूशन हम किस में बोलते हैं? सॉल्यूशन का मतलब होता है कि हम ऐसी क्या वैल्यू रखें वेरिएबल की जिससे हमारा LHS और RHS क्या आ जाए, इक्वल आ जाए, विच वैल्यू वी हैव टू पुट such that our left hand side and right hand side part are equal. So if we put 16 in place of m, we get LHS equal to RHS. So m is equal to 16 is the solution of the given equation. See the question number 2. Same, x plus 14 is equal to 35. Now in place of x, put 12, 8, 21 and 0. So first we will put. Now what is the given equation? X plus 14 is equal to 35. Here right hand side part is 35. X is equal to 12. Now in place of x, write 12 plus 14, 26. 26 is not equal to 35. It means it is not the solution. Now second value is given 8. So put 8. 8 plus 14, 22. It is not again equal to 35. So it is also not the solution. Next number is given 21. So put 21 in place of x. So 21 plus 14, 35. You can see now LHS is equal to RHS. It means x is equal to 21 satisfy the given equation. And the last number is given here 0. So put 0 in place of x. So x is equal to 0 does not satisfy the given equation. If we put 0, we will get 14, which is not equal to 35. So here the answer will, how can you write the answer? That x is equal to 21 is solution of given equation. Why is it a solution of given equation? Because if we put in place of x is equal to 21, we'll get LHS equal to RHS. Like this, solve the remaining question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. You have to put all the 4 values in place of the given variable and you have to see that whether it is satisfying or not. Then question number 9. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation x plus 10 is equal to 18. Now you can see here table is given. Here from how many numbers it is given? X is equal to 1 till 10, then 11, 12, 13. After this we have to find the solution of the equation x plus 10. X plus 10 means first in place of x put 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 till where 13. So here it is given x plus 10. The table is represented as below. We will see the table. X plus 10. Here in place of x, what we have to put? 1. So 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. After that 2 is given. Means in place of x. अब x की जगह हमें क्या रखना है? 2 रखना है. So 2 plus 10, 12. 3 plus 10, 13. 4 plus 10, 14. Then here 5 is given means 5 plus 10, 15. 6 plus 10, 16. Then in place of x, हम ये x की वैल्यू था, हमें x की जगह क्या रखना है? 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 8 plus 10, 18. 9 plus 10, 19. Until where we have taken 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now what is the question given? Question में ये दिया है we have to find that solution of the equation. हम ऐसे x की जगह x plus 10 is equal to 18 means what is the value of x we should keep here so that we will get equal to 18. हम x की जगह ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू रखें कि हमारा आंसर क्या आ जाए? 18 आ जाए. So you can see where 18 came here in this step means the value of x is equal to 8. If we put in place of x plus 10 is equal to 18. If we put in place of x 8, so we'll get 18. It means what is the solution of the equation? The solution of the given equation is x is equal to 8 here. So now by inspection means we have to inspect, we have to get what we have concluded. The last is x is equal to 8 is the solution of the above equation. If we put in place of x is equal to 8, x plus 10 is equal to 8 plus 8, 10 is equal to 18. Then you can see second one, complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution of the equation 6xz is equal to 36. Now see, in place of z you have to put these different values. After that you have to find the solution of the equation. So I hope you all have understood all the questions. So we'll see the next chapter on the next step of our class.